to start a motivational day, bro. To start a day that you just feel, you know, you can do anything, is to take a jog. Right now I jog on the treadmill because honestly I hate the heat. I absolutely hate the heat. I don't hate summer. I love, you know, going to the beach and stuff like that, but I hate the heat. I can't handle it, gives me headaches, makes me tired. So I jog inside, and in the winter, I actually go jog, you know, around the block or something for 5 to 10 minutes, so yeah. I realized when I was editing yesterday's vlog that I have a habit of holding the camera here, which looks extremely strange. So I'm gonna try and force myself to keep the camera at this angle, but yeah. I ended up conditioning my hair and starting over. Like I said, my hair can be difficult sometimes, you know? But granted, in all honesty speaking, I think if I use that much hairspray that I used, my hair is gonna look like grass, you know? That right there is my girlfriend. This is my sister's door. Yesterday she went and printed some pictures and she freaking smothered this entire door with pictures of family and friends. Later on today you will see my girlfriend. She doesn't know that she's gonna be in the vlog yet, and she's extremely shy. We're gonna surprise her, and I'm gonna introduce you guys to my girlfriend. My desk looks absolutely terrible. I'm so used to my desk being full of crap, you know? Advice I can give you guys, especially if you're an artist or if you're studying, if you want to be motivated to do specific things, the number one thing usually to think about is the workspace. If you have an unneat or untidy workspace, you tend to be less motivated than when you have a clean, neat, comfortable workspace. Another thing I could tell you for people who study, do YouTube, play games, whatever, your chair really is very important, because if you are uncomfortable, you will only be able to concentrate for a certain amount of time. If you are comfortable and your workspace is neat and there's nothing distracting you, you'll be able to concentrate for longer than you think. I usually have to clean my room every, let's say, few weeks, because I am a creative person and creative people tend to leave their rooms untidy like mine is right now. So what I'm gonna do today is I gotta plan out my room. I need my desk to be able to do a section where I can do my art and a section where I can do my gaming and my YouTube and my video editing and stuff. I don't have a very large desk, but I'm gonna try and manage with what I have at this moment. What I thought about doing was I was thinking about moving the screen into the corner, the computer box, you know, at the bottom of the, under the desk, and my keyboard and stuff are there, and then here I have some space for some shelves where I can put in my paint brushes, my pencils, my books over here. I want this entire thing to be very comfortable to work with, like I told you guys earlier. It has to be a nice space. On the wall there, I would like to put up my art. On the wall right here. Aangezien ek nou 'n nuwe vlog het, moet ek seker vir die mense sê wie's wie.
It's ek, Chantal.
It's the spotlight. It's my sister. Daar's Jessica. Daar's Jessica. That's my girlfriend. At least you can look at the camera. And we all know who this guy is right here. You know who he is. That looks delicious. Chantal is my gunsteling sissie ooit, het ek al dit gesê.
Wat soek jy?
Suk. Yo. Huh? Oh, my 21st. Oh yeah, that's right. I'm legal now, for those of you who don't know.